بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of God, the gracious, the merciful.
الحمد لله رب العالمين.
Praise be to God, Lord of the worlds.
الرحمن الرحيم.
The most gracious, the most merciful.
مالك يوم الدين.
Master of the day of judgment.
إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين.
It is you we worship, and upon you we call for help.
اهدنا الصراط المستقيم.
Guide us to the straight path.
صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين.
The path of those you have blessed, not of those against whom there is anger, nor of those who are misguided.